That's good. Another day, another dollar. I make $365 a year. Whoa! Oh God. The lottery ticket. What do you mean lottery ticket? It's a... Those are my numbers. The winning numbers. The exact numbers. Oh my God. What do I win? What do I win? $1 million! Oh my God, I won $1 million! What the hell's going on? I just won $1 million! Oh my God! No way, you won $1 million? Oh dude, you should buy a house or something. First of all, I already own a house. Second of all, oh man, I'm gonna invest in something, make my own company, and I'm gonna make money off of it. Oh cool, what you gonna invest in? I'm gonna invest in something I never thought of before. This is your so-called crazy idea? Well, duh. Oh my God, whatever. I am leaving. Good day. Yeah, good day to you too. Come again. Oh man, I was wanting to start a new stand. Anyways. Oh, I think I see a customer. Oh my God. Oh, cool, fruit juice. Yes, that's right, Toad. It's only, $1.99 a cup. You want one? Okay. How much do I owe you? $1.99. It says so on the sign. Oh man, I don't have money. Would you accept a phone? A phone? Sure. Okay, I'll get it. This is easier than I thought. I'm gonna make so much money. Alright, I got the phone. Here, take it. There. Where's my juice? Get lost! Oh man, I love this job. Oh look, here comes another customer. God, I just got off another hard, tough day of work. Hey, I'm gonna go see what that's this. Luigi's fruit juice stand? That's me, Luigi. Oh, hey Phil, what do you want? What flavors do you have? Well, we have purple, red, and blue. So which ones do you want? Only $1.99 a cup. I want root beer. We don't serve root beer here. This is a fruit juice stand. But I want root beer. No, this is a fruit juice stand. You are not going to get root beer. But I want root beer. You're not going to get root beer. Fine. I'm going to make this place explode. No! Take cover! Oh my God, what did you do to my juice stand? I blew it up because there was no root beer. Oh man, now it's been taking forever to get this fixed. Oh God. Thanks a lot. Get out! Okay, I gotta fix this place. Let me just get my broom. 7 minutes later! Oh God. There, now my fruit juice stand is all fixed. Oh look, a customer. Oh hey Koopa, how's it going? Not so good. Had a bad day. I'm fired from the Creepy Crew News. Buddy, I was the first guy who got fired off that show. Like, you want to buy some juice or what? Sure. How much? Just 2 easy payments of $1 or something like that. This one side is $1.99 a cup. Luigi, you don't have to look at the camera. Sorry. But anyways, would you like to buy some? Yeah, because I don't have any money. All I have is this pencil crayon. Sold! Take all the juice you want. No, wait, just take a sip. Fine. That was 3 sips. That's it, I'm calling the cops on you. Oh, no, not the cops. Yes, police, I would like to report a crime. Someone has been robbing me and stuff. Run away! Oh, good job. See, you're gonna get busted, Koopa. Just wait till the cops come. Oh, no! 1.5 hours later. Ah, there he is. Hey, officer. He tried to rob me. Really? We just gonna rob a juice stand, man. Why do you hate juice stands? Why? I just hate people who hate damn juice stands. Cause I like to go, like KFC and stuff, and I like to buy my Kentucky Fried Chicken. I'm not like a gangster or anything or something like that, but I buy my stuff. I do not rob. I offered him a pencil and he said, take all that you want, and then he said, take a sip, and then I took a couple of sips, then he called the cops. Is this against your policy? Actually, it strictly is. Come with me, big boy. No, 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 no! That's what happened to Koopa. Alright, kids. Lesson of the day. Do not rob stores or anything, or else the guy will call the cops and then you'll be in trouble. Dita para, subscribe. We're gonna have more fruit stands. Do the Harlem Shake.